are the only problems I wanna have in my life. Like, because
So unique. That's what you are. Lingerie reflecting off the mirror on the bar. Category X. I'm one of one. I'm the I'm number one. I'm the only one. Don't even waste your time trying to compete.
hi guys, hi. Is that my phone? Okay, it's charging. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Why am I moving? Okay, I'm moving because I want to show you guys what I'm wearing first. Then we can start. Hi. Also, I'm using the mic because some people say my sound is njanjani. I don't know, guys. I don't know, because personally, I feel like my sound is fine without the mic. I mean, I've been vlogging for such a long time using my phone, and my sound was okay. I think the problem starts when I play music. I need to learn to lower the sound your music is so that it balances with the sound of when I'm speaking. But anyway, nonetheless, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Ongezo, but you can call me CT Mom because I am a mother of 3 handsome boys. If you've been here, thank you so much for the love and support. And to my new subbers, thank you for joining the family. So I am wearing this set that I got on my previous thingy, my previous Shein haul that I didn't show you guys. I'm wearing it with these slides that I got from Shein as well. They are gold. I don't have any gold sandals, so I got these. And then I'm gonna carry it with this bag. I've took out the formal, okay, now I don't know if you can hear me. I've took out the formal strap and then I put this one because it's a casual look. I'm even wearing a cap, so I'm kind of looking very casual. Hence I was like, I want to try wearing it with this thingy strap. Yeah, anyway, guys, there's a part on my previous vlog. I don't know what happened. When I was explaining Uguti, I was doing my OOTD, right? When I was going to the restaurant. And then there's a part where I think I spoke for like 10 minutes. I was so mad because I don't know what was happening. I think there's a part where I said, I want to put you guys here. And then I don't know if the mic disconnected you. And then when I came back, it wasn't recording. But excuse me, I was talking about wanting to have an event this year. I don't want to call it an event because an event sounds very serious. I want to, serious, we're having an event, but in the future, yes, I do want to have yearly events for my channel, which I've said that. But for now, I feel like I want to start it small. So I was telling you guys on my previous vlog that I want like 9 people and it's going to be 1,000 Rand each person. I'm not doing it for free. When I celebrated my 10K celebration, did my greet and meet on Tonton, like my subbies meet me, those who want to meet me one day. I did everything out of my pocket. The breakfast I paid, the gifts that I gave, which was my City Mom t-shirts. I gifted them with those. Obviously I paid for them, and then I hired a professional photographer. I paid for that professional photographer. So basically everything that happened that day on my 10K celebration, I didn't ask it, not even for a cent from any of the people who came there or who I invited. But I'm not doing that ever again. We're not, in order for me to have successful big events one day, my people on my channel need to get used to paying in order for us to have those meet and greet. What it would have been nice if we can do it, excuse me, this month or next month. So I'm not gonna put a date because I don't wanna put pressure on anyone. Nami, I just recently like thought about it. I was like, we're so chilled in this channel. Like I feel like we need a little bit of vavavoman sitting vibe nyana, you know. As city mom gangs, we need to let's spice it up a bit. Let's Maseti Hlwabs, man, I feel like we're just too relaxed in this channel. And obviously, it is my channel. I need to be the one who introduces things to you guys, and then you guys participate on whatever that I'm introducing. And I'm like, guys, let's do this. Let's do this. You know, I just feel like we just maybe even the demotivation comes from that way. I feel like sometimes I just have nothing exciting happening for me on this channel, and I would really, really love to have it yearly. I meet up with some of you guys, we hang out, we have fun, we look cute, we look like girls. You know, I find a cute sports for us that represents who City Mom is. And we just, yeah, you guys get to see who I am outside of the camera. So yeah, if I can get like 9 people, I don't want to do a lot of people because I don't want to stress myself. I need 9. I'll be the 10th person. So the place that I'm going to book, it's only going to be for 10 people, which I am the 10th person. So I need only 9 people from you guys. It's going to be 1,000 Rand each. I don't want, you guys might say it's a lot of money. It is, guys. Trust me, I know. Mina, I'm one person who never says things are cheap in Ramaphosa's economy, but also I feel like I don't like doing things on a budget. Ukuba kuyangami kuba nje leli ticket lu 2.5 because mina ngithanda izinto yabo nje kwenzeke ngale ndlela engifisa ngayo. But I was like, okay, let's start at 1,000 and hopefully it'll stick to 1,000 even years to come. By God grace willing, this what I'm starting now goes well every year. So let's rather keep it at 1,000. So but kuyafana guys, 1,000 Rand yakho uzoyibona ukuthi iphelelepi because you're gonna be there. Everything is gonna be happening right in front of you. So you will see why I charged the money that I charged. I'm not getting anything out of it. I just want to meet some of you guys, and I wanted to do it yearly. And yeah, sibe City Mom, sibe cute, sibe bahle, go to our installations, nails and and meet, and it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be so fun. And yeah, I am currently running some errands. I don't know if I'm gonna run those errands with you guys because I'm kind of going to a dodgy place near the Rosetta and Vilba. I don't like vlogging there, but if I move, okay, I'm gonna carry my camera. Let's just go. I'm gonna carry my camera, and if I can, I will. If I can't, then I'll see you guys when I get back to the house. But for now, let's go. Yeah, I've been yapping for 7 minutes. I hope it's not too long. I just wanted to say that if you guys are game, please comment in the comment section. Tell me I'm game. I would love to meet you, but I don't have the money now. Sharp, we can do it next year. Those who do want to do it this year, please tell me. Only 9 people. Okay, exactly. So yeah, I'm very excited about that. I think actually it's something that will make me excited every year, Nje. It's something that I'll look forward to because every year I need to find us a cute venue or restaurant or whatever, and you know, it's kind of going to be exciting for me every year. And yeah, probably want to do it differently next year. This year I'm gonna come up with a different idea. Kanjalo. I'm just tired of us doing the same thing over and over and over this channel. Ngila. So please, guys, those who feel like they can spare 1,000 Rand to hang out with me, have fun, have some cocktails, eat, drink, do this. Please, I'm your girl. Come, let's start this thing. Let's asiqaleni manje. Seku-right, sesirelaxe kakhulu, sekwanele. But yeah, this is how I look. I'm obviously smelling scrum jilly yum because I'm wearing my favorite combo. I didn't have it for a very long time, so basically so yeah, let us go. I don't know who. Yeah, let's go, guys. I'll catch up with you guys now. Kulungile, goodbye. Please subscribe. Now that we are starting the vlog, please subscribe, like the video, And yeah, let's go. Kulungile, bye. Guys, I need that light. Can you guys see me? I think you can. Oh, I'm gonna lock it in there. I ended up putting on the jackets. Oh, it's so cold. Yo. I am so over winter. I've been saying it's so cold. Couldn't get to kuyabanda. Wabata. Lord have mercy. I'm back. I am back. Akuvalwanga amakhethini. Akulayitwanga. Oh. I usually come back. Not come back, man. I am the one owenza zonke lezi zinto la endlini, and today is a Friday, so guys, hi. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I'm at Sobet. I'm here to do my nails. I actually don't like this color, if I'm being honest. It was actually my first time doing it and I didn't like it. I love it, but I don't think it's nice for my nails. For my skin tone color. Yeah. So I'm gonna back to my red because red looks nice on me. So yeah. I'm gonna go back to the colors that I know. Unjani? Ngiyaphila. This one is dark. It's maroonish, yeah. I think I want something.
This one.
I went to maroon. Wait. Which one is this one? That's a teenager. Maybe this one is fine because it's not like too. Guys, I'm confused. All I know is that I'm not doing. Oh, I think I like this red. I don't want dark colors. You see, I don't want dark colors. I went over them. Huh? Hi guys. Can you guys even hear me? Joe? Guys, I'm actually craving hot wings from KFC. Let me go get them. Let me go get those hot wings. I'll talk with you guys now. Hi guys. Oh, guys, I'm so tired. I sit. Guys, Sobet is so expensive. Sobet is so expensive. Like, oh, you see my previous salon where Azashisa. You see that lady? The previous salon where I used to go to, the one who made me wait for 1 hour. For 1 hour. Because she decided to do somewhere else. I felt so disrespected and I was like, you know what? I'm not about that life. I'm not coming back here. I'm now in a petrol. I would rather pay more than being disrespected. I was like, I would rather pay more than being disrespected, because ain't no way you're gonna make me wait for an hour. Like, yabona, a person that does appointments and says, book an appointment. In order for me to touch you, book an appointment. And then we agree that at 12 o'clock, you give me time, that be here at 12. And then you make me sit for an hour. I won't even be arguing with you. I'll just decide, Wuti, you are not the person for me anymore, because it's either you are disrespecting me or you just don't think my time is important. I'm complaining about the price because I'm thinking about her, that for the price I paid here for the nails, I would have done both my hands and toes, right? But I just only did my nails. So Sobit is quite expensive, and I don't think I have to find another salon for me here, because I'm not about to spend 1,000 nemali on nails. No, I'm not gonna do that. I am not about to do that, not now. So I definitely have to find a salon. This app is about me saying that I'm not paying 1,300 for both my toes and hands. I'm not gonna do that. So, but it's just that today was I was in a bit of a rush because I kind of have to do my nails. But when I have time and I'm not rushing anyway, I definitely need to find another place. Sobit, my dear, I love you so much. I use Sobit for my body lotion. Literally my everything is Sobit, but I don't think I'm gonna use them for doing my manicure and pedicure. Thank you. Sharp. So I don't think I'm gonna use them for my manicure and pedicure. No, I don't think so. Yeah. Sana, no. Like, if I'm gonna pay that much, offer me, I don't know, offer me juice, coffee, offer me something. They didn't offer me anything to drink without me paying for it, because I'm already paying 500 rand. Like, offer me something, let it, akube khona something, akube khona something ezondenza ndifile uba, oh, but it's worth, it's worth the money. Let me not feel like I'm just paying this money and I don't know, guys. I don't know. Let me stop yapping, go to the house, and I showed you my nails. Love how she did my nails. I think the only thing that would make me to go back there, the lady who did my nails, she's so calm, she's so nice. She's so nice. Nkosi yami, like, she did another red and I didn't like it on my whole hand, and I said, can you please remove it? I don't want this red. And she started afresh, and like, patient. The service there that I got is probably what would make me to go back, because the service, I love it. I love respectful people. Abantu abahloniphayo ngiyabathanda. Abantu abanesineke ngiyabathanda, that would probably be the reason that I go back, but I'm not happy about the price. For me, it's too much. Yeah. Okay, let's go. I'll catch up with you guys in the house. Guys, I just dropped. Oh my goodness. I am so stressed because because iyakhawuleza ukufa le nto, guys. Ndiyibambile iwa from here bendibeke apha and yasilipharisha, guys. Oh my goodness. Should I continue putting you guys here? Now I'm stressing because of how sensitive this camera is. Oh my god. Hi guys. I'm so stressed. I hope nothing happened. I hope nothing happened because I have zero energy of taking this camera back to iStore, fixing it or getting a new one or whatever. All these things that I've always seen from other YouTubers when they take their camera back, because I'm hoping nothing happened. I am hoping and praying because betega apa ne sharp on the screen of Semoto. But before iya phansi, I managed to like grab it and anyway, hi guys. Let me rather do this because now I really have like anxiety over I wonder Aizuwana again, because I'm about to yap because I'm waiting for Usu, guys. My new friend. Where is she? Her full name is Sugoluhle. So she said people call her Sue. So I said I'm gonna call you Sue. Guys, making new friends give me so much anxiety. Or meeting new people and then letting people close to my life because of the experience I had. And yeah, you know the saying that says experience is the best teacher. That's exactly how I feel. I avoid certain things because of my experiences. So you know, this thing of losing a friend because let's say a friend, you do something wrong, I do something wrong, and then the friend tells me, friend, I didn't appreciate what you said. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you don't argue. You're like, oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to offend you or disrespect you, or like it wasn't meant to. The way you took it, it's not how I meant it. And you just apologize because you obviously value the friendship and value the relationship, and you're like, you know what, let me just apologize. As much as sometimes when someone is telling you something, okay, in this case, what I was told I was doing, or I rather did wrong, for me, when I sat and analyzed the whole situation, I was like, I don't understand, because probably these certain people don't even watch my channel, they don't even know anything, and they don't even know I mentioned your name, but they don't even know if you are the person, you know. So when I sat and I analyzed it, I was like, hey, for me this doesn't make sense. But also, just rather for the sake of peace and the sake of valuing the person and valuing the friendship and the relationship you have with the person, you would just rather apologize. So that's what I did. Let me apologize and keep it moving. Sharp. And then once you take my apology, and because I'm thinking we are cool, we are friends, we bound to have misunderstanding here and there. It's normal, guys. It's same as boyfriend yakho. You guys sit down, talk about it. Tanasam, I don't like what you said the other day. I don't like what you did the other day. It didn't sit well with me. It hurt my feelings. And you don't break up with your partner because they've hurt your feelings. But rather you sit them down, you tell them what you don't like. They apologize if they apologize, and then we call it a day, we move on. Your man knows to never say that or do that again. Sharp. Same applies with friendship. You tell me you don't like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I apologize, and then we keep it moving. It's not the end of the relationship. I just know now to never say that, because you owe it. And okay, Now I've apologized, and then I'm thinking, okay, it's right, it's grand. Me, I continue with my life. I continue updating the person or planning the things that I want to do with this person, up until it got to a point where I started realizing that every time when I have a conversation with this person is because I started the conversation. Every time, yeah, whether it's a call or via WhatsApp or text, but whenever there was a communication, it was because I started the communication, right? And for the longest time, I didn't notice, I didn't pay attention to it, but I'm a very observant person, yeah, and I'm like, I mean, every time when actually I'm having a conversation with this person, it's because I called or I texted. And knowing how the friendship was, it was vice versa. One will call the other person, or one will check up on the other person, and the other person will be like, hey, I'm just busy with work, and then it got to a point where there's no way you can go for a month without checking up on me, because I know that's not how you are, right? Sharp. I then decide to take a decision of, let me not call, let me not text, let me keep quiet and see what happens. Maybe I'm reading too much into the situation. And then obviously when I stopped doing that, then the friendship ended. I was like, oh, okay, so I wasn't wrong. I was the one. Yabo, ukubona uma sengathi usuyafosta-ke manje ngazuthi khonto incengile, or I don't know. I was like, no, I'm not about that life. Let's call it a day. It's fine. When I realized, oh, I wasn't wrong. When I stopped being the one who starts the communication, I was like, oh, okay, no, I wasn't wrong, Mos. No, iphelile le friendship, but ndim obengazi. Uyabona? Because I keep talking, I keep and. So I'm just here yapping because yeah, I don't know. I've always said that I'm not lucky with friends. I don't know why. I do have friends, but I don't know. I'm just into yami yabangani iyafana neyamadoda. Iyafana nje neyabafana. I don't know ukuthi nje ngingayichaza kanjani. But I always say that people always say, stay away from friends, you don't need friends. And I'm like, guys, life is boring without friends. Life is boring. We need friends. You need someone to talk to apart from your mom. There are things that I can't call and tell my mom about. Isn't it umfana? You know, like I can't. They're just things that only a girl will understand. You know, only a girl will understand. Guys, on this side, but my arm is tired now. So only a girl will understand. Like, you wanna talk to your friend, laugh about it, or have a glass of wine. A girl will understand, girl to girl, because that's my girl, that's my friend. So I know people always say stay away from friends, and even my mom always say you are not lucky with friends. Your friends always betray you. There's always something ezokwenzeka nje ezokuphatha kabi, and ikuba buhlungu because we see how invested you are in any relationship. Like mina, any relationship I give it my all. Friendship, boyfriend, I give it my all. I would love you like I've never been disappointed by a friend. I would love you like I've never been disappointed by a man. That's just the way I am. So I did though tell Sue everything that this is what I kind of went through, and it kind of made me skeptical when you said let's meet and stuff like that. I'm kind of closed off into such things, but then again, it's not fair to always think that everyone is the same as the other person and everyone will treat you the way the other person treated you. So I want things to be reciprocated. The energy must be reciprocated. You love me, I love you too. You check up on me, I check up on you too. You give to me, I give to you. You might give me on my birthday, and when it comes to your birthday I don't have. It does not mean I have forgotten. It does not mean I will never remember the good thing that you did. I will, and I will definitely pay you back. Oh, Chomi, but don't worry, I've got you. I'm a kind of person who will even make sure I pay you back whatever that you once did for me. even when we are no longer friends, because I hate it when people go around be like, "I loyo ngamnikeza lokhu ngebirthday yami mina wangangenzela." Yeah, I hate those things. I appreciate people who gift me, but I always want to give back as well so that it balances. So basically, I'm just a um let's reciprocate the energy. That's why if a man that I'm with, I can see that he's no longer the man ebeyiyo at the beginning, I distance myself because ngiyabona awusangithandi awusagcwali ngami yabo. So yeah, it's tricky because anyway I'm here waiting for her because she said when we were talking, I said, "Hey, mina ngiyawathanda ama photo shoots for your birthday and stuff." She was like, it was my birthday and I didn't do anything. I didn't do no photo shoot, no nothing. And I've never done a photo shoot in my life. I'm like, girl, you've never done a photo shoot? What do you mean? Let's do a photo shoot. We're gonna do it together. We are going to do a photo shoot. You're gonna experience what a photo shoot is, and trust and believe once you start it, you'll never go back. So that's what we are doing. I've got my dress. And we just need to get her a dress. Obviously, we do not have time to make her a dress because she's flying back tomorrow, which is Wednesday. So I said there's a shop that I saw, two shops that I saw a plaza that have nice dresses. Let's see if you can't get anything. Then if we can't get anything, we'll check Bozara, Foshini, whatever. But let's start here because I kind of have an idea of how I want her to look like, you know. I've booked a studio for her. Well, it's for the both of us, but then our backgrounds are gonna be different. Guys, you're gonna see, you'll see everything. So I've sent her Guti, this is the background I've chosen for you, and she likes it. So now we just need to find her a dress, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go with her again for our hair installation and our face bit. Yeah. So what I also love is that she's not in South Africa. She doesn't stay in South Africa with her hubby and a child, which is I'm okay with that because I don't know. I'm hoping that I'm a lover. I love love, and I always say that may God send genuine people into my life, people who are like me, people who will not get rid of you at a first misunderstanding. Yeah, people who love like me, you know. Yeah, abantu abanothando abafana nami abanenhliziyo. I know ukuthi sometimes I feel like I look for me in other people, which is impossible, but genuine people nje, that's what I pray for. uNkulunkulu ngilethele abantu life because I don't like living alone, guys. I am a loner. I enjoy my space. I'm always in the house. But at the same time, I don't want to be alone. I don't know if I'm making sense. I would stay in my house forever. I would lock myself in my bedroom, watch my TV, do whatever, and I enjoy it. But I also enjoy having people in my life. I don't know if I'm making sense. I enjoy having people that I can call in times of need, in times of fun. When I wanna have fun, I want friends to have fun with. When I wanna cry, I enjoy such things. I enjoy being alone, but I also wanna have people in my life. Yeah. But anyway, that was a yap for friendships. And yeah, I still have pretty good friendships. They're not the greatest, but I'm not perfect. My friends are not perfect, but at least I know I have few people that I can call my friends. And yeah, anyway, let me call her. Actually, I've been yapping for 14 minutes, so she's at work. That's the thing. Babe, how far now? I'm here. Let me send a location, but I think she knows the place because I told her let's go to Oriental Plaza. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys. Let me just wait for her make some calls and wish me luck. Wish me luck. Kulungile, bye. Iyangena Mar.
So far, yes. Let's see. I can help you then. Alright.
Guys, ngithanda zeni ngibe nemali so that I can buy like 5 running errands weeks. Yes, that's what I wanted to say.
Yeah, I think definitely another size.
A bigger size.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bigger size.
Yeah.
Well,
Ayingeni le.
I'm getting.
Try squeezing it. Wanna see those?
Let's see. I have big boobs.
Oh, on top. Okay. Guys, she's in the fitting room, so we're gonna get a dress because we're struggling to get a shorter dress because we need to show some legs. So we're gonna take a dress here and then they're gonna cut it because they don't have short dresses and she wants something short, right? So yeah, we're just gonna get a nice design that she likes and then we're gonna go cut bayenze ibe mfutshane to isize yakhe, yabo, because now I already have I have like 2 dresses. I think I'm gonna wear one dress from Shein and then I'm gonna wear the dress that I made now. When I bought material the other day,
Back of the queue.
Injan,
When they gave out.
are you done?
Yes.
Good morning. Guys, I am going to Shara. Time now is 10:45. I hope the escalators are working here because our sebenzi ahlela ama escalators eShara angasebenzi. I'm coming here to install my wig and then yo. Oh, ayahamba. Yo. Isha ngakhala. Okay, yeah. Quick update. It's the following day. I'm here to do, and I wish I had bought a wig. I wish I had money to buy a wig. But I didn't. I didn't buy a wig. I know guys, bengingayithenga, but guys, things are so expensive. Oh my goodness. But anyway, asikho lapho. Sanibona. So I'm here at Shara. Is it closed? Kwenzakalani eShara? Hey man. Good morning. Hi, how are you? You guys busy? Okay. Hi.
How are you?
I am good.
Yeah, second.
Ngicela uku-installa
1,000.
kuphela ne-makeup hayibo siqalele nishara
Yeah, we
ukuba
tried.
1,000.
We went higher.
What?
Then we are going to premium, that's why.
Aye.
Huh? We are going to premium. Well, we are on premium.
We are still going. We are not. Thank you.
I'm joking, still normal price.
Yeah, how sanction.
Yes, makeup and installation.
Yes, makeup and installation. 1,050. I want styling. Just on the makeup. No, not on the makeup.
My colors.
It's a straight wig, but in Fulabayenze. Guys, I'm coming. Guys, I was finishing my 2 wings. Remember the wings that I bought on this vlog at KFC? I paid 10. I couldn't finish them. The last 2 I just ate it now. For Bambisis.
I don't mean I work hard with music and I feel fun. Meaning I press next time.
Yeah.
I know it's
I don't even know if you guys can hear me.
will sound bad. Not asking for the fun. So
But yeah, I just get slammed up. I'm waiting for Sue.
I only want
She said she's gonna get here at 12 or after 12. Sorry, because she has meetings. So I just need to text her and tell her that I'm here. And when I'm done, I'll stand in the queue for, because she's not going to do installation for makeup. When I'm done, I have to sit and wait for her on the queue. So that when she gets here, she just Avele angene straight, yabo? So yeah, because our appointment is at 3. Cheers, lovers. My birthday can officially start. My birthday can officially start. I bought 2 weeks just in case.
I only wanted that. Anything I should do love. I only needed that.
This is what I was talking about when I said so much need to get it. Okay, I'm gonna go there and see if they will offer
I only needed that. Cause
me.
I could have any crush. I could have any crush. Anything I
See
should
what I'm talking about? We don't mind
could have any
paying,
crush.
but
Anything I should do love. I could have any crush. Anything I should do love. I take any fake love. Anything I should do love. One love, one love, one love. Oh, na 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 na.
like kunama activities ozofuna ukwenza. Serious? Like you don't do anything. Why mouth our phone?
Just sniff.
Son. Look at you. Why? You're gonna look beautiful. Uzozithanda,
I just hope I don't look like a panda.
like a what?
Like it doesn't start running. Bad if I'm not sure.
Ungasakhali manje.
What to do, so I just asked her to use her creativity.
You told her your dress is black.
Yeah, well, I just had a hint of gold.
Yes.
Yeah.
The birthday can start. Me, I'm drinking. I got now. Oh, son. The way I woke up early today.
I hope when happens I will come in your face. Whose face?
Okay.
If I want, I could me further here. If I want, I could me further here. If I want, I could me further here. I love that. I don't mean I work hard. With music and my few funds. From this come and I knew that. Meaning I press next jump. I know it's hard. 100 pound will sound bad. Not asking for the fun. So don't act so fun. I only wanna do. Anyone can show true love. I only need a blood. Cause if you die any cash. I only wanna do. Anyone can show true love. I only need a blood. Cause you could die any cash. Could die any cash. Anyone can show true love. Could die any cash. Anyone can show true love. Could die any cash. Anyone can show true love. Ataka ni fake love. Anyone can show true love. Bado nina wonder. Mimi nina wonder. What will it come true between us two? Even Shani had to. But me I believe too. Atakani na fake friends too. Real ones what I come through. I only wanna do. Anyone can show true love. I only need a blood. Cause if you die any cash. I only wanna do. Anyone can show true love. I only need a blood. Cause you could die any cash. Could die any cash. Anyone can show true love. Could die any cash. Anyone can show true love. Could die any cash. Anyone can show true love. Ataka ni fake love. Anyone can show true love. One love, one love, one love. Hey. Oh na 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 na. I'm crazy. True love.
It's starting to stress me because of that falling that happened yesterday. So now, guys, niyasibona or good clan. Sana, I need to put GPS. Hi guys, let me take you guys out from here. Guys, we're done. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, Mom.
Why does it want my, is it showing your face now?
No.
Still?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, it bumped that side. Like this, yeah. So, you know, like, I need to put a location. Let's check it. How many minutes? Oh, it's 17 minutes from here.
Okay.
Thanks. Thank God, guys. We are going. Okay. We'll catch up with you guys when we get near one. Can you recognize me? Oh, a lipstick. Yo. Guys, we are finally here. Let's go change. Done with the flowers. They did the job. Now September when again ney'thombe ne-editing nangu umuntu osishuthile sibatshela ukuthi ustressile.
I didn't stress them, guys. It's a smooth process.
Usistressile mara sithemba ukuthi iy'thombe zethu zizoba yilento esiyifunayo ane angeke ustress ey'thombeni. Okay niyamuzwa-ke sithemba wena thina ukuthi mase usuthi nazi iy'thombe zenu hawu sizobe si-happy kabi. Guys, let's go home. I need to drive. Namakels wami asephelile. Shame, I actually need to buy a body wig if I'm being honest. Are you done, boo? Okay, thanks. Pretoria? No. Hi, guys. Excuse me. Hi. Guys, I love my flowers. Oh my goodness. Even the paper is coming out now because Sana kudala esebenza lama flowers. I love my flowers. The only problem I want to have in my life are these are the only problems I want to have in my life. Like, ngicela ukusindwa nje ama-flowers empilweni yami. Nayi nazi iy'nkinga engifuna ukuba nazo emhlabeni kaNkulunkulu. Hi guys. Yo, finally I'm back home. The hairstyle iphelile indaba yayo. Makeup iphelile indaba yayo. So anyway, I think I want to put you guys there, but let's just do this here. Guys, a lot of you were asking me about Umfana, the updates. You guys kept on saying, we want updates about Umfana, the guy you met in the restaurant. Guys, indaba zona anifuna ukuhlukana nazo. And again, shame, nizoba disappointed. Nizoba disappointed because uGuy ushadile. Okay, let me get. Actually, there was a time on my previous vlog, I think I was sitting in a car and we were going to Ugo. When I was about to start to yap and give you guys gist on Uguti Dintang, I was like, no, actually, this vlog is already too long. Let's just go to Ugo. And then, yeah, that time I remember I wanted to tell you guys, Uguti, abafana saba umuntu wesilisa South Africa. So how do I know ukuthi uGuy ushadile? Let me guys give you a backstory, right? Sharp, you guys saw how we ended up sitting in the table. I was going up the stairs and I got tired, and then uGuy said eating ikuke, and then he started with that small talk ikuke. You guys saw. And I was like, wena ngathi awunamandla ufana nami. Fast forward, when I sat in the table, you guys saw ukuthi ngiqale ngahlala ngiyi-1 because I was early waiting for Usu ukuthi afike, right? Sharp. And then uGuy wagcina ecele ukujoin etafuleni, hayi sihlale vele nomfana etafuleni, right? Silinde umuntu kahle engiphume endlini ngithi ngiya ku lunch naye. Okay, so while we're sitting on the table, obviously we have a small talk. You know how men are. Sharp. I noticed something when we were busy. Upager imenu yakhe. Nami ngibhizi neyami ngala, yabo. Sibhizi siyabheka ukuthi sophuzane. I can't remember if it was for drinks or for the food, but umuntu bephethe menu yakhe nami ngiphethe yami. yabo. Isandla lesi somshado singalanga kumina because mina I was sitting this side and then he's sitting on this side. Angazi ukuthi yini engiphose ehlweni. I don't know what, like my eyes literally went straight to his fingers. Like angazi kanjani. Angazi cause mina I was there paging. Ngitheme ngithi laqa. Hayi man, this guy mark, you know a mark when someone obviously wears a ring every day, but uyikhiphile, ne? That mark maybe ingathatha ngisho inyanga ingapheli for the skin to get back to normal, to look like mine, a person who does not have a ring, to look like this. So yena eyakhe inomaka we-ring, right? Okay. Then mina I ask, obviously now ngi-curious, yabo, because ngiyayibona imark ye-ring. Then sisahleli sodwa usuke engakafiki, right? Hayi sibhizi vele siyaxoxa deciding ukuthi so kanjani just making small talk. Ngimbuzisa ukuthi manje guys sengi-curious phela sengibonile umuntu ukuthi hawu lo muntu lo une-ring. I'm like, anyway, are you married? First answer, guy says, I wouldn't be sitting here with you if I was married. I said, okay. Hi. And I don't know whether when he moved from his table to mine, that's when he removed the ring, and then came to my table, right? Because my table was actually bigger than his, because then we one. So I don't know if kwenzeke kanjalo. Guy says, I wouldn't be sitting here with you if I was married. I mean, oh, okay. At this point, I'm like, Nazia, Slala Stin, Mesiti Estradeni, the people who are more available. 99% of men that are available are the married ones, not the ones who are single. Obviously, okay, sharp, at this point, you know what, let's enjoy the company, let's enjoy, yabo. Okay, fast forward, Sue comes and then we will place our orders and stuff, and then I tell Usu, hey, as I'm just as a content over later my drinks, you know, our starters or whatever, let's just go to the bathroom. I actually want to go to the bathroom and then I want to go take some pictures, yabo. Hayi vele ngishiya iCamera le ngitshela umfana ukuthi hayi ngicela usigadela bandla siyabuya. Umfana athi, alright ladies, dala what you must. Vele sisukume sihambe sebathroom. Masifika bathroom ngitshela uSu ngithi isu abafana banamanga. Athi what happened? Ngithi mina this guy, when we go back to the table, ngicela ubheke umunwe wakhe we-ring. Lo mfana ushadile, but mina his answer mangimbuza ukuthi ushadile, uthe he wouldn't be sitting here with me if he was married. Ne? Manje ngiqwashisa lo engihamba naye ukuthi ngicela uyobheka the same thing engiyibonile nawe masifika lapha etafuleni. Pay attention to isandla sakhe somshado. Ushadile lo muntu. Hayi sharp vele, we take pictures and then we go back. Masibuyela, hayi vele sihlale usidle kube mnandi, enjoy the conversation and maybe after an hour or so, yeah, because sihlalile shame laphayana. Maybe after an hour nje to hour 30 minutes, I don't remember, but after some time, ngimbuza again, ngithi mina, are you sure you're not married? Kanje, ngithi, are you sure you're not married? Second answer, athi who said I'm not married? Who said I'm not married? Yeah, mari answer yakhe ibi lapho ukuthi hayibo angikaze ngithi angishadile mina. Uthi umesho kanjalo ngabheka uSu, kanti naye uSu ngibhekile. At this point, savele sanikina amakhanda same time. Savele sanikina amakhanda same time. So about two, we're like, because I think another thing eyamenza uGuy waba namahloni, ne? Usu came and Usu is obviously married and she's wearing her ring, ne? So maybe usashawa amahloni ukuthi, I don't know, asikho isidingo sokuthi ngiphike umfazi wami lana. I don't know, guys, I don't know. I'm just saying, like, I'm just saying, I don't know what was going on in his head, obviously, when his answer changed from, I wouldn't be sitting here with you if I was married, to then saying, who said I'm not married. Because mhlawumbe useshaya amahloni ukuthi ngihleli nomuntu oshadile. I understand. Okusho ukuthi nginabo abantu engihangout nabo abashadile. Anginankinga mina. I don't know, maybe ubeseshaya amahloni wokuphika umfazi wakhe phambi komuntu oshadile. I don't know. I really don't know. Right? Sazithulela again, sayivalela umlomo wethu. Uguy washo ukuthi no, ushadile, uney'ngane eziwu-6, unomuzi Waterfall nje, hayi umfana wakhipha nje ifayili lakhe. He works at a mine, ntoni, so i-off day yakhe ubezophusha ezinye izinto ezi-private. Then kusasa ubuyele emsebenzini ngoba phela you can't live off salary kuphela kanjani, so uyaphanda okay, sharp. Hayi-ke umfana athi ucela i-bank account yami khona uzosenda imali because yena usefuna ukuhamba and thina sisahleli etafuleni, which is nyanthi na, we were not rushing anywhere, we were chilled, sitting, enjoying, nani. So I give him my bank account. Hence I said mangifike eZara umfana usende imali kwi-account yami. Yabo? So that's the updates, guys. That's the updates. Umfana ushadile. And I know ukuthi most of the time when we sit on these channels and then we tell you guys, the us who are not married, that we obviously, no, we don't obviously. Kwabanye abantu, it sounds as if we are jealous because we are not married. When we say, estradeni, abantu aba more available is the ones who have families. Estradeni. We're not saying all men are cheaters. We are saying wena eyakho if uyayitrust 99% ukuthi I cheat, just know ukuthi it falls under 1% of South African men. Amadoda eSouth Africa aya cheater ashadile. They are the ones who are more available to us who are not married. Ibona abafuna intombi kakhulu ungidlula abantu abangashadile. Do you get? Yes. Ibona abantu aba-available. So sometimes when we come here and like, guys, umshado these days, it's like humiliation ritual. We're not lying because we know what we see on the streets. We know you can give 5 people your number, ne? Good now, okay, let's say now I'm single, I give 5 people my number. If 4 yabantu abazocela inumber yami bashadile, uyedwa ongashadile. Yiyona into eyenzeka estradeni le esintshela yona. So I am glad ukuthi this happened and I captured everything. I didn't capture everything because I thought uguy ushadile. He wanted to come and sit in my table. He saw that there was a camera in my table. He didn't have a problem with the camera being on the table. And then I just covered his face. I didn't show his face, obviously. Angihlonipha umfazi wakhe. There was no need for me ukuthi ngifake umuntu. He's not my boyfriend, basically. He's not my boyfriend. I don't even post my boyfriend, guys. Mina, I've vlogged, I don't know how many years now. I'll never do that, right? But I protected his face anyway, regardless. Because bengazi ukuthi ushadile. Even if bekangashadanga bengenze ngimfake. Right? But I'm just saying, I'm glad that I vlogged from the beginning when the guy approached me, when he started making small talks. Ngizinyukela umfana bebona behind, bengakaboni nanobuso bami, ubesabona behind. Nginyuka ngamastepiso, ngikhathele. Umfana waqala wenza ama small talks, wathi iza ngikuke, come let me hold you. Yes, a married man. Worried ngokuthi mina fanele angikuke. So that's the update about the guy. Ayikho enye into enizophinda nizwe because there's nothing else. Phelile akuphelanga kaze kuzeqale. Like there's nothing that will ever happen nje. Ngigrand angidingi into eshadile eduze wami uzongiphatha ngekhanda. So nje yabo. So another thing that I've noticed is that most married men, they don't wear rings. You find a lot of men who will approach you and they don't have a mark like this one who had like a permanent mark of a married person. You find a lot of men, they've never bought a ring. They just don't wear rings, which is annoying because after some time or after 2 weeks or 3 weeks, he's going to be like, oh, actually, I have something to tell you. You're thinking it's something else. Actually, I'm married. How? Iringi, hayi angiyigqoki iringi. Okay. So that's what we are going through with social media, not with social media, outside. So when we say the streets are cold, this is what we mean. The streets are very, very cold because half of the time people who approach us, they are already having their own families. And me wanting my own family, it doesn't make sense ukuthi ngizomenzani umuntu oshadile, because clearly I'm not gonna get my own family. I want a blended family. I've said this. I want a blended family. So I'm clearly not gonna get a blended family for a married man, but I am gonna get a blended family from someone, even if he's a divorcee, it's fine. But from someone who has his kids, I have my kids, but we both still believe in love and want to be loved. I want something like that, and I'm not gonna get that from a married man. So sharp, ni right, senizwile update yomfana. Ningazangibuzi-ke manje seku-right, off to the next. Ne? Lowa last week umfana nimbone kwi-vlog ushadile. Siphumile kuyena. Ayikho into esobuye siyikhulume ngaye, kuphelile, peyiye guys. So yeah, I love my flowers. Guys, I actually cannot wait for my pictures to come out. So let us go to the kitchen. I need to put these in emanzini. Angwazi amavazi wamakuphi, but I need to put these in a vase. And yeah, let's go do the flowers, and I can't wait for my pictures. It's officially my birthday. Two people said happy birthday, and I was like, yeah, I should say birthday. I'm last week. It's my birth month. Ngizalwa ngo-August. End of August. I am a Virgo. Okay? Exactly. So, asenzeni kanjalo-ke izithandwa zami. Ndilale. And if this is too long, I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Edit. Let's just arrange these things together and take off this makeup. Take off this makeup. I think then start to keep makeup engiyikhokhele u-600 rand. A whole 600 rand to put makeup on my face. But anyway, kulungile, bye. I hate this because it's gonna make so much mess. Son. I love flowers, eh? I love flowers. Mara le part imbora class. Angifuna ungasho. Imbora class, because what do you mean? What do you mean? Vases for my flowers. Those are the only problems that I have. Ukuthi aze asinde ama-flowers andinayo ivase. Izona iy'nkinga zami engifuna ukuba nazo. Lezo empilweni yami only. Hayi lezi iy'stress endinazo. Niyabo sizingcolisa kanjani? Red roses will always be famous. Too good. Sugar. I don't have time for this. Where's the one with the sugar? Alright. Nathi seva kuthiwa masibofaka ushukela. So that's what I'm gonna do. Phela kweyinkinga engizifunela ipini yami. Guys, the other vase I think is a storage. I don't know, but if I see zami zonke ngosinikeza nazo la. And ayahlaba lezi ama-flowers, yazi ayahlaba. Okubuhlungu nje yilokho. Ukuthi if I keep pushing. Okay. Is it enough? I'm gonna put this in my bedroom. Can you guys see it? Yeah. Let's try to squeeze in. Squeeze in, guys. Squeeze in by subscribing to my channel. Squeeze it. Okay. There we go. I think I did pretty well. Let me show you guys. Alright. There you are. Hi guys. I think I'm so tired. Oh, is that better? Guys, I decided to just do the whole thing without you guys because I wanted to clean, mop. It was just a lot. Like, it was just a lot, and it was giving me anxiety because it was just stressing me, guys. It was like, I love flowers, but I hate arranging them. I hate arranging flowers. It's because of a mess awenzayo. Like, they just make a lot of mess. What the hell is happening? So, but I'll show you guys ukuthi ngiwabeke kuphi kanjani. Now, another thing engibhorayo, maseke gugile sekumele uwaclean futhi round 2 uwaqoqa manje sewalahla. Oh. But we are done for the day, and I think it's safe to say let's just remove this makeup and then I go to bed. Like, let's remove the makeup. Guys, I wish I had money. Actually, I did want to buy a new wig. I don't even want to lie. But all the wigs that I liked, when I kept on checking and looking at the prices, was getting about my 10,000. Yo, I'm like, I don't have the strength nor the energy of telling you we can 10,000. Why not 5 nyana again? Guys. But this is a 10 week. So anyway, guys, let me remove this makeup. And someone asked on someone's vlog, I don't know who that lady is. I bumped into someone's channel. Oh, this balls is so good. Oof. Oh, taking off the lashes. This balls. Oh. Too good. Too good. feels too good. Because what do you mean? Where is that thing? My full of water. Someone said on that lady's vlog, she's a yellow bone. Yingane then, I'm sure not 22 or 23. She said, why are you the only one with the correct settings there, DJ Osmo? Because you look so good, you know, because this camera, it gives a bit of filter, you know. And then I read the comment, someone said she's already a yellow bone, so it makes her look so beautiful because of her skin color, skin tone, or skin color, yeah, I think. So, and I was like, if you dark nale camera, uba pale, uba ngathi sisiporho, uba ngathi usisiporho, uba ngathi nje angazi kwenzakalani. Because she was asking why ama-settings wakho different from abanye abantu. Abanye abantu bavele nje babe njalo njalo, yabo. And that answer yokuthi no, umhlophe yena, she's already a yellow bone, so the filter kind of looks nice to her than abanye abantu. Hey, I don't know, because I've seen dark people. I've seen dark people abanale camera and it looks good on them. I think Naji, I just haven't figured the settings, if I'm being honest. And on top of that, I'm lazy to go to iStore. Guys, let me remove this. And close the vlog, if I'm being honest. If it's not long, guys, sorry. If it's not long, shoot sorry. Shoot sorry was sweetie. Sorry, there's a tender zami. Oh, Lord. Like, guys, I wanna imagine, money is a problem. Money is a problem. Because the things that I had planned, they are not going to happen because I can see that the budget is not budgetable. So some of things are not gonna happen. But you know, I meet a lot of people who say they don't make a fuss about their birthdays, they don't care. To me, it's just another day. I'm like, girl. It's another day? What do you mean? God has literally added another year in your life and you're just calling it another day. I wish I could be you. Because one thing about me, I'm big on celebrating anything. Like, I love celebration. If I don't celebrate me now on my birthday, you just see me going to a restaurant. Just know me try, like me swag, 1,000 rand in my account. Anyway, guys, let's close this vlog and then you guys tell me if you came on the thing that I spoke about in this vlog at the beginning of the vlog when I said I would really like to start with the event and meet some of you guys, and yeah. And if you guys are saying 1,000 rand is a lot, please tell me. But even if I reduce the price, then just know it won't, what I have in mind, it won't be like that anymore, because now I have to reduce the price to accommodate other people. Just know it's not what City Mama has in mind when she wants to meet you guys and have fun with you guys and stuff like that. But I'll have to look at other restaurants now and whatever. I'll just have to change the whole thing that I had in mind. I want it to be like this. but at the same time, I understand that 1,000 rand is a lot of money. But I bought a ticket for 1,000 rand. I bought a ticket for 900 rand. That is 1,000 rand. Every event that I've ever attended, the ticket was literally 1,000 rand. So I think Nami, I'm not expensive if I'm being honest. Yeah. So yeah, guys, let me do this off camera, clean up myself and bath and be warm, put my hot water bottle, just do everything that I need to do, and I will catch up with you guys tomorrow. Oh, I want to show you guys my flowers. Oh, I'll show you on my next vlog. It's fine because I've been literally talking for 8 minutes. I hope you guys subscribed, and yeah, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.
But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you